Hello all. Sometimes we notice the issue like WSUS downstream clients are not reporting to the WSUS upstream server. So how to troubleshoot this kind of issue? We will discuss all the steps in this video. So stay tuned, let us begin. In order to resolve this kind of issue, first of all you can try to ping the upstream server IP from downstream client. Like this, open the command prompt as an administrator and try to ping the IP. Secondly, you can perform the trace route to the upstream server IP and it will show you the below response like this. Basically, in this case, your internal network team will help you to find out the root cause. Next, you can check by opening the WSUS console and here you have to check under the options WSUS configuration wizard and verify everything is set or not. Your next step should be to open the command prompt as an administrator and update the group policy by putting the command gpupdate/force. So it will update the computer policy and user policy as well. Next step I would suggest is to reset the WSUS settings by putting the command WSUCLT/reauthorization/detect now. Also WAUCLT/report now. So these commands will reset the settings. The last and final step I would suggest is to check the firewall WSUS ports 8530 8531 are allowed to connect to upstream server or not. So you can check all the steps suggested in this video and also let me know if it has resolved your WSUS client connectivity issue or not. Thank you for learning. For more such videos, stay tuned to my channel. And for any queries, you can contact me on the given details on the card. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.